Hi everybody, this is Stan from Stan for Adventure. Thank you for watching the channel, subscribing. Today I'm going to try something new. It's going to be just a voiceover. I recently bought a new accessory for my GSA 1250 and I'm going to show it to you. I bought amber fog light covers from Aliexpress. The whole idea here is you certainly want to be seen a little bit better on the road, and I believe studies show that amber lights increase your visibility. I know the Denali and the Clearwater accessory lighting is much better, but the stock lights on my GSA are going to be fine for now, and I just wanted to get some amber covers for them. The covers were incredibly inexpensive on AliExpress, and in fact AliExpress has a lot of decent products for the GSA, and they are very reasonably priced. These fog light covers are machined really well. They fit onto the stock accessory lights. You can flip them up if you want to just run your regular accessory lights, fog lights. I did a little test drive at night, and I feel with the covers down that it doesn't cut down on the luminance of the stock lights. I hope you enjoyed today's little video, and hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. This is Stan for Adventure signing off.